Remote building analytics is about how a building can improve its own energy efficiency. Using FirstFuel analytics software, EDF Energy is able to look at a particular building and how its energy usage can be optimized. This groundbreaking combination of buildings and data science, advanced analytics and software gives businesses and organizations unprecedented insights on their energy use without having to go behind the meter.
There are a wide range of buildings that are supported by this scheme, such as museums, restaurants, supermarkets, schools and government offices. Each of these buildings will be assessed against its peers, and then if you have a portfolio of buildings, EDF Energy can analyse them and determine what you can save.
The analytics starts from the consumption data of the site. It's crossed with various external information such as weather data, for example, and a clever algorithms disaggregate and analyze the data. It provides intelligent insight into why and where energy is being wasted. It's all done remotely and is non-intrusive with no sensors required, so means that there is very little contribution needed by the customers.
It is recommended we use a year's worth of analysis. It's really important because you can understand on whether it's winter months, whether you're using certain measures further, for example, heating controls and lighting, whereas summer months you will use them less frequently. To have your building analysed, we have a simplified 6-step process which requires very little contribution from the customer. Step 1 requires initial discussion with the account manager and obtaining data consent. Step 2 would be load data into system. Step 3 would be obtain external data about the building. Step 4 would be benchmark against other similar buildings. Step 5 would be produce recommendations for energy efficiency to discuss with the customer. And finally, step 6 would be implement recommendations that can be fully managed by EDF Energy.
The logging of the data into the system to the emission of the first report, including recommendations, it would require about 4 weeks of work. The main recommendations are around, I would say, lighting, so the way lighting is used, around ventilation, heating, possibility to improve, say, working atmosphere in terms of energy consumption.
Whether it's cost saving, carbon reduction, or commercial benefits, this is a great analytics engine that can support in all of those criteria and can help develop any propositions and products.
For EDF Energy, it's very important to be considered and to become for our customers not only an energy supplier but also an energy partner. By being their partner and by helping them in this energy efficiency journey, we are fully online with our strategy of being closer to our customers.